you and getting this, ensure that this program happens too. Raju, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Before we log off, a big thank you and a shout out to all the people who attended. And let us put knowledge to practice. Let us read more and be a little more away from the television. So closing on, a big thank you from MIG for all the attendees and all the members who shared about this program, made it a success, made it a count above 500. Thank you so much, everyone.
So Shiv sir is left, I guess, or he got disconnected.
He was saying something actually.
He was trying to say something.
Yeah. I think he was to talk. He would be talking about being superstitious around the number 3. But I'm sure we were not superstitious. We were just drawing a connect.
So I had just given a rights for members to unmute themselves. If we are, we'll be here for another 4-5 minutes and then we can wrap it up.
Yeah. Yes, the session is recorded. Sachin Lohia and some other members also had that question ki recording milega kya? Of course, recording milega. It will be put on MIG YouTube channel very soon. We are generally quick with that. As soon as the download is complete from Zoom, it would be put on YouTube. Correct me if I'm wrong, Ashish ji.
So don't forget to subscribe to Mahesh Industrial Group Pune chapter on YouTube. All video recordings are available there. Thank you. So anyone who would like to share something, it's an informal session.
I would like to share. I am Sanjay Gilani from New Delhi.
You can put your video on, sir.
Yeah, we would like to.
Yes, we want to see the face. Delhi Smart.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
I am
Sanjay,
Sanjay Gilani
can you hear
from Delhi.
Video on, sir. Video on, please.
You could put your video on, that would be appreciated. Yes, sir. Sanjay ji, boliye.
And if you don't want to do that, go ahead and speak. We would as well as be happy to hear you.
We want to see the face always. The condition put.
Yeah. So I think Shalini is गुलाब के बगीचे में अगर काम करता तो गुलाब की खुशबू आती. Shalini, you were totally influenced by Shiv Khera ji such a way that हमको लगा कि हम भी शिव खेरा को ही सुन रहे हैं. And I had also noted down 3 pointers from you.
3, 6, 9.
Go ahead.
संजय जी आइए. संजय जी कहाँ हैं?
Sanjay ji, go ahead. Whatever is your questions, communication.
Yeah, I think he got it. Perfect.
Next
Done. If everything else is over, then we can wrap it up. In case if someone wants to still talk, we have another 1 more minute or 2 minutes. We can take it up.
Ashish ji.
Haji, sir.
Thank you for getting Mr. Khera, but I have just one question out of curiosity. His programs are very, very expensive and you have kept this free. You got him free or you paid something from MIG?
So we developed relationship, not networking.
Brilliant.
That's what he said.
I hope you have built many more relationships and we tend to go to benefit from that now.
Yeah.
Relationships without benefit, only relationships.
The benefits are incidental to that.
Byproduct over the years.
Correct. So that is incidental.
You're always welcome to attend the MIG programs.
Absolutely.
That I am doing wherever possible.
Yes.
Thank you so
Zoom
much.
has made it easier for us to reach out to as many people as we can. And we always work for the growth of Maheshwari community. So you're always welcome, Raju.
That's very appreciable. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, MIG team and Lakodia ji.
Rajesh ji, धन्यवाद. Good to see you.
अभी फ्लाइट से बुलाएंगे तो पैसा लगेगा, तब बांटेंगे, सबको पैसा लेना पड़ेगा. We have to share it.
खेरा जी ने वैसे ही बोल दिया है कि पैसा अर्न करना है.
अपन बिल्कुल अपने ध्यान वाली बात सुनते हैं.
ऐसा की कोई बात नहीं है, कोई ऐसा की बात नहीं है भैया.
It is a matter of relationship. The biggest earning during this period, if anybody have learned, it is a relationship, whether in family or whether in a circle, that has kept the people live and active.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
सही है सर.
राजेश जी, MIG वाले हर वीक सैटरडे संडे को हम लोग को बिजी रखते हैं.
जी आपका एप्रिसिएशन है, धन्यवाद.
No, खाने पीने सामान भी घर पे भेज रहे डेंजो से. The best part, खाली सुकी का फ्राई नहीं हो रहा है. They are sending the packet also to eat it.
Good. Lakodia ji, this is what the time has provided opportunity to all of us to contribute whatever way we can contribute to the society.
Yes. अभी दुबई आएंगे आपके पास. अभी दुबई आएंगे हम लोग चार्टर लेके.
बात ये है कि पूरी की पूरी लखोटिया जी के अंडर से नर्चर हुई है.
In Dubai, I can tell you there's a various activity. The number of people, or particularly blue collar people, have lost a job, and they were not having even to go back to the country, not having the house.
I know.
So there are the various group here. They have provided them the shelter house, food every day.
Oh.
So everywhere there was a different challenges, but yes, the Corona has also given us the good lesson that nothing is impossible in this world.
Absolutely.
We never thought that the country can run without train, without airline, without anything. But, and we have seen this unique time also.
सर यही स्वर्ग है, यही नरक है. बस हमने स्वर्ग देख लिया.
Yes.
राजेश जी, एक दिन हम लोग आपको वापस से लाना चाहते हैं Zoom प्लेटफॉर्म पे, ये देखने के लिए how are you coping up with this kind of an situation challenges. Again, we'll try to develop relationship without networking.
But Ashish is a very good network to have, Ashish.
You would have right off, but I still have a relationship.
Yes.
सर किताब का क्या हुआ? किताब किसको मिलेगी भाई? किताब तो दो, हमको प्राइज दो.
आशीष भाई अनाउंस करना था.
मेरा नाम कहाँ हुआ? मैं शुरू से बैठा हूँ.
सर आपने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा.
अरे पूछा, देखो चार्ट बॉक्स देखो ना. My word is Ashish was the word. Ashish he was calling every time. He wants the attention that Neha, Ashish, Neha, Ashish. मेरे को म्यूट नहीं किया, मेरा भी नाम आ जाता.
सुरेश जी, अभी आप जिस मुकाम पे हो ना, आपका क्वेश्चन पूछने का काम नहीं, आंसर देने का काम. किताब बनाने का काम है अभी आप.
संजय जी गिलानी लाइन पे आए, देखो ना बात.
हाँ जी. Yeah, I am Sanjay Gilani from New Delhi.
So smart you are. Why you are?
Namaste Sanjay ji.
Good evening, sir. I just wanted to add one thing. जैसे अभी शालिनी जी बता रही थी नंबर 3 का, तो नंबर 3 स्टैंड फॉर न्यूमरोलॉजी के लिए अगर हम बात करें तो नंबर 3 स्टैंड फॉर जुपिटर विच इज द देव गुरु. So here also number 3 comes.
क्या बात है?
क्या बात है? Okay.
It is the number for Brahaspati, देव गुरु.
Yes.
शालिनी जी चली कहाँ गई है?
उसको प्राइज नहीं मिलेगा.
I think शालिनी को भी ऐसे 200 लोग जब तक नहीं हो तो बोलती नहीं है वो.
हाँ.
I am very much here. I can hear what you are saying.
You also.
नहीं अभी आप सुन रहे हो.
Never show the face. संजय जी please go ahead.
मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा. I am working with LIC in Delhi. So how can I join your group? मुझे थोड़ा सा उसका आइडिया दे दीजिए. This was just a chance. जैसे आपका Facebook पे मैंने I have seen that advertisement of yours कि शिव खेड़ा जी का आज सेमिनार है, वेबिनार है, तो ज्वाइन करिए उसको. तो I just joined it that way. So how I could join it on a regular basis, on a permanent basis, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे आप बताइए.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आपका नंबर अभी है हमारे पास, तो हमारे जब भी इवेंट हो गए we will reach out to you through email, SMS.
Okay.
आशीष अनाउंस कर दो, 20 का अनाउंस कर दो अपना. दिसंबर में 19-20 को होने वाला, बता दो उनको.
सर बिस्कॉन जनवरी में, दिसंबर नहीं.
दिसंबर 19-20 का ट्राई करो यार. जनवरी में भाग रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ अमेरिका.
तो आप अमेरिका से करिए.
No.
अभी तो क्या Zoom वाला प्लेटफॉर्म है.
Okay, as you comfortable. Tell them we'll do it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody. Thank you for joining today. Thank you. We really appreciate your time.
Still we are 100 people. क्या बात.
Thank you and happy Diwali to everyone.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali to everyone.
Thank you Rajesh.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Same to you, all of you.
मन नहीं मानता, फिर जाना पड़ेगा, उपाय नहीं है.
I will be ending meeting. Good evening everyone. Good night.
Thank you very much.
Happy Diwali.